Welcome back, children. I am Srinivasan here. We are going to discuss miscellaneous exercise 20th problem. The question says find vector equation of a line passing through a point and perpendicular to two lines. That is, our line is passing through a point 1, comma 2, comma negative 4. This is our line. Now our line is perpendicular to two lines. Okay, we have another thing over. Okay. Now, to write the equation of a line, what all we need? The equation of a line passing through a point and perpendicular to a vector is r vector equals a vector plus lambda into b vector. Point, we have a point here. We need to find the direction. Now, we see that our line is perpendicular to two vectors. If this is n1 vector direction, n1 is a normal vector. This is n2. Now, what is the direction of our line? We can see that these normals are also perpendicular to our line. So we can have a line which is perpendicular to n1 vector and n2 vector. Okay, children? So our line is here. We need to find the direction of this line. On seeing the diagram, what can you understand? The line, so direction is nothing but the cross product of n1 cross n2. Why? Because when a vector product definition says when two vectors are there, if you want to find a vector which is perpendicular to both the vectors, it is nothing but the cross product. So this gives our b vector. So let us write n1 vector. A vector is given in the question very clearly. It's there I vector plus 2j minus 4k vector, and b vector, from the diagram we understood that line is perpendicular to these two vectors. So n1 vector cross n2 vector. Now n1 vector, the direction of the first line, which is 3i minus 16j plus 7k, and n2 vector, direction of the second line, which is 3i plus 8j minus 5k. Before, while you are taking a direction, you should see that coefficients of x, y, z are positive. Okay. Now we'll go for cross product to find the b vector. So n1 vector cross n2 vector, we are finding the determinant I, j, k, and we are writing the components of n1 vector 3 minus 16 and 7. 3 minus 16 and 7. 3, 8 minus 5. Now start the determinant value. I, 80 minus 56 minus j vector 15 minus 21 minus 15 minus 21 plus k vector 24 plus 48. Here we can see it's 24 minus 36 is plus 36j plus 72 k. So we'll write it as 24ik. So this is your b vector. So now you got point as well as the direction. So you can go for the equation of straight line is I plus 2j minus 4k plus lambda into this vector 24i plus 36j plus 72k. Now children, we can see these are all multiples of 12. So we'll bring the 12 outside. So we will have I plus 2j minus 4k plus 12 lambda. So you will have 2i plus 3j plus 6k. This 12 lambda is just a scalar. So we can combine that and you can write it as lambda or any other variable mu. Whatever you like, you can write. For book answer, I am writing it as lambda. You should not get confused why 12 lambda is changed to 6. Just a lambda. It's a scalar, right? It can have any value. Or you can change it to a variable mu. Do you understand, children? The only concept what you have to understand is our line is perpendicular to to the two vectors. So the direction is given by the product of this n1 and n2 vector. That's all you have to understand this question. This completes the solution. Thank you.